Living on a tight budget can be a challenge, but it's not impossible. In fact, with the right strategies and mindset, you can make it work. In this video, we'll share 10 tips for living on a tight budget. Tip 1. Create a budget and stick to it. Start by tracking your expenses and creating a budget. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and make adjustments to your spending. Tip 2. Plan your meals and buy in bulk. Planning your meals in advance can help you save money and avoid impulse purchases. Buying in bulk can also save you money in the long run. Tip 3. Use coupons and look for deals. Always be on the lookout for coupons and deals. You can save a lot of money by using them, especially when shopping for groceries and household items. Tip 4. Conserve energy. Saving energy can help you save money on your utility bills. Turn off lights when you leave a room, unplug electronics when they're not in use, and adjust your thermostat to save energy. Tip 5. Exercise for free. You don't need a gym membership to stay active. Try exercising outdoors, going for a run or walk, or doing at-home workouts. Tip 6. Brew your own coffee. Buying coffee every day can add up quickly. Brewing your own coffee at home can save you money and still give you that caffeine boost you need. Tip 7. Repair instead of replacing. Before you throw something away, consider if it can be repaired. Simple repairs can extend the life of your belongings and save you money in the long run. Tip 8. Cook at home instead of eating out. Eating out can be expensive. Cooking at home can save you money and also give you more control over what you're eating. Tip 9. Use alternative transportation. Consider using alternative transportation like biking or public transit instead of driving. This can help you save money on gas and car maintenance. Tip 10. Practice mindfulness. Living on a tight budget can be stressful, but practicing mindfulness can help. Take time to meditate, practice yoga, or do other activities that help you relax and reduce stress. Living on a tight budget requires discipline and a willingness to make sacrifices, but with these tips, you can make it work. Remember, small changes can add up to big savings. Thanks for watching.